In this video, I'm gonna explain how we can generate the DDL for the facts in the target area of Powerpack. Okay. It's part of the BI Data Lake to Target roadmap, and we're in this part. We now want to generate the DDL for the facts, target DDL. I'm gonna explain you. Okay. What we do, we say we're starting a Python script. Yeah. In the Python directory, we go into the subdirectory target and we're starting here fct_ddl. So for the fact, we're going to generate the DDL. In the last, there's one parameter it. In this time, it's a wildcard. So we generate all the facts, but we can also generate one fact for it. Okay, to specify there the name. Okay, we're starting this script. Okay, now he's ready. So what he did, he's connecting to the SQL Server database. He's starting this script with the parameter facts is wildcard. There's no table space needed for it. The template directory, he specified the directory where he's putting the target DDL scripts. And from the parameters, you saw the database type is SQL Server, the target area name is DM, and there are 4 facts available. The first one is fact_sales. With this alias, the load strategy is update. There is no aggregation key. There's no partitioning. So we're specifying here the template. So the table template is SQL Server _DDL _tab fact.py. Yeah, because we are in the database SQL Server. He's taking the SQL Server template, and if we generate this in, for example, Snowflake, then the template should be Snowflake _DDL _tab fact.py. The same for the view, because he's generating a view for it. It's this part. So the target table is this, and the target view is this one, and he's generating an _base view for it. He's reading the attributes. So there are 6 attributes within this fact. There are 5 foreign keys in this fact, and he is creating the DDL for it. So for this table, also for the fact sales order, for the fact sales order detail, and for the fact sales month. Yeah, okay. If we say we want to generate with 1, we can specify here 1 fact, and now he's generating the code for 1 fact, everything with fact_sales in it. And if we want to do it only for fact sales per month, we specify here fact sales per month, and now he's generating only this fact table. We're going to look into the created scripts. So we go into the work directory. This is the project environment. So for the target, he created here the table, for example, for the facts. Okay, if we open this one, we can see it's a Python script to create the table dim_facts. And what is he doing? He's creating a drop statement for the table and the sequence. He is creating the sequence, and he's creating the fact table with all the attributes specified, including the foreign keys to do dimensions. Then he's creating some constraints on it. It's got a primary key based on the column ID, and also some foreign keys. For example, the foreign key to the dimension branch with this name. So it's referencing dim underscore branch. Yeah. And he's also creating an index on those foreign key tables. Okay. That's what he did in this script. He's creating also another script. He is creating here a view, DDL view fact sales base. And this view is used during the ETL process to insert the records in it. So he's creating here a view with the foreign key columns, all the columns which are available, and the base foreign key columns. So we got here what is the base for it, and we got here the real relation between the fact and the dimension. So in the select statement, he's generating those the select statements. So for example, if the branch code is empty, then we're putting there a -2 in it for the dummy records, else the ID, and if that's not available, took a -1. So that's the reason why we set the relations. It's always consistent. It's available, or it's a -1, an unknown master, or a -2, an empty dimension master. All the attributes taken from the metadata and also the base for generating the IDs. There's one thing we have to help him a little bit. He is looking for all the data and he is joining them on this way. So maybe this is okay. Maybe we have to modify this a little bit. That's the reason why he generated DDL view fact sales underscore base. During the implementation, this one will not be implemented. You have to save this as DDL view fact sales.py. So without the underscore base, and this one will be implemented in the database. So you can modify whatever you want in this SQL statement to get the right things out of it. Okay, that's how it works to generate the DDL for the facts. Thank you for watching this video and see you back in one of the next videos.